everybody, this is Patrick Brando Group. Today we are in central London and I'm waiting for the customer in order to show him the different colorings of the design of his restaurant. So here we've got 3 types of floor tiles, different colors, wood finishing. And this side here we're gonna have a matching of different kind of materials for the bars and the coverings of tables, chairs. This is the finishing of the banquettes. We do manufacture very nice, comfortable banquettes with different type of leather, waterproof and fireproof. Then the walls coverings, okay, the paint on the walls. And then here we have different matching of wood finishing, back for the toilets and counters. Remember, if you want to design a successful restaurant, we are the company for you. Brando Group, www.brandogroup.co.uk. We are specialized in taking care of your ideas.